Dubrovnik. 450 years of independence. Limestone walls that outlasted empires. And you're being herded past them in a crowd of 50. Cruise ship crowds jamming the Stradun. A guide's flag bobbing ahead while you strain to hear a single word about the rector's palace. Dubrovnik's real story gets lost in the shuffle. Uvamai's Dubrovnik self-guided audio tour hands you 11 of the city's most iconic landmarks, with narration revealing the diplomatic mastery that kept this republic free for centuries. For just $6, your private access link arrives straight to you. Professional audio guides and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No crowd, no rushing. Dubrovnik at your pace for up to 6 days. Wander the old town's marble streets and hear how this city-state prized liberty above all else. Stand before the rector's palace and uncover the secrets of its governance. Walk the city walls and Pilegate, where the Republic once defended itself for centuries. Ride the cable car up Mount Cerruti for a view that stretches across the Adriatic. Step into the Franciscan monastery and discover one of Europe's oldest pharmacies still in operation. 11 landmarks finally told in full. Travelers worldwide have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Dubrovnik, not just photograph its walls. Real stories, real freedom, real discovery. $6. 11 Dubrovnik landmarks, the real story of the Pearl of the Adriatic. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.